Sa pag-uusapan natin to, yung palang, meron akong naging kliyente.
Okay.
Ano pala, talagang gambler, ano talaga, pwede mo talagang as an income talaga. Mayroong,
di ba nga sabi ko sa'yo, ang tawag dyan, they have players club. They're actually professional player. In any casino, a lot of people probably doesn't know this, na ang casino, nag-hire sila ng professional player to fill in the tables.
Yeah,
so,
para lang to fill in the tables yun.
To fill in the tables. Pero, they get paid, I think, at that time, the 90s, it was minimum wage.
Parang ganun pa rin, parang W2s pa rin sila, but they're gambling.
Pero, yung pera nila, sarili nilang pera. Or pinapautang sila ng casino, like a credit line.
Yeah.
Kung gusto mong ikarera yan, na ganyan ng mo, pwede. Pero, it's hard kasi...
Nagulat nga ako, sabi ko, wow, you're a gambler. Yeah. Wow, you make money. Yeah, wow.
They do it professionally for a living.
Wow.
Have you had a clients like that?
Yeah, I did.
Professional gambler?
I did.
Magkano mga kinikita nila? Approximately?
Okay, yearly, merong may 150, 160. Meron talaga.
As a professional gambler?
As a professional gambler.